What is white balance? Black and white are really colors? What impact does white balance give to your image? How to calculate Kelvin? Hello guys, welcome back to RaiDoClicks. Please do watch this video till end to know completely about white balance. Firstly, let us talk about white balance. What is the meaning of white balance? White balance is a feature in our modern cameras to measure accurately colors. Let me make simple. The answer itself is in the question. White balance balances the color in our image. Now, let us talk about the black and white. Black and white are not said to be colors because when we talk in physics, a color is a visible light with certain wavelength, as white contains all the wavelengths whereas black is the absence of visual light. Now, let us talk about the different modes of white balance in our cameras. First comes the auto. If you are using a basic DSLR, always stick to the auto mode because auto mode gives you 80% of exact results. When I was using my basic DSLR, I have always stick to the auto mode. Next comes the tungsten. You should only use this mode under the tungsten bulbs, or else your pic will result into a blue image. Next comes the fluorescent. You should only use when you are getting a green shade in your pic, or else under the glowing bulbs. Next comes the direct sunlight. You know this. You should use direct sunlight only when the sunlight is directly falling to your subject. Then comes the flashlight. You should use this when you turn on your camera on flash. Here, on flash means the inbuilt flash of your camera. Then comes the cloudy. You should use this cloudy white balance mode in cloudy days. It will result to warmer pics more than sunlight. Then comes the shade. It adds orange to your images. You can use this while when you are clicking the sunsets or in shades. All these modes except the auto mode are not used much. Literally speaking, I haven't used even for a single time since I bought my last camera. Then why are these modes in our camera? It's all about strategy, dude. Offering more features in our cameras will result to hike in price. Now, let us talk about the most important point, Kelvin, and how to calculate it. Firstly, what is the meaning of Kelvin? Kelvin is a thermodynamic temperature scale based upon the efficiency of ideal heat energy. Sounds like physics, right? In photography, Kelvin scale used to measure the accurate color of your location. Let me make more simple. Kelvin scale ranges from 2500 to 10,000. When you decrease your Kelvin, you will get a blue shade in your image, and when you increase it, you will get orange shade in your image. In between, you will find a point which will accurately calculate the color in your location. Now, look at me. We are using 2500 Kelvin right now, and we are increasing it gradually. As we are increasing it, you can observe that there is an orange shade in our video, and we have increased the Kelvin up to 10,000. The result is here the orange shade. Now, we have adjusted our white balance to 4500 Kelvin. It gives us the accurate color. So, you can find your accurate color to your location between 2500 to 10,000. Let's have a quick recap for this video. Firstly, white balance is used to measure the color of your pic. Secondly, blacks and whites are no more colors. Thirdly, even though there are different modes in the white balance, always use the auto or Kelvin mode. This will result to the accurate color in your pics. Hope you understand this video. If you don't, first free yourself and make your mind stable and listen again. Then you will understand the concept of white balance. Please do subscribe my channel for more interesting topics of photography.